If you've ever been in the situation where you need to be productive, where you need to study or work, but you feel lazy and you want to procrastinate, well, I have a solution for that because you can use focus triggers to fix that. So if you're interested, let's hop into it. Focus triggers are usually objects or surroundings where you use that to trick your mind into getting focused. If you ever need to do a project or work on your business, but you can't understand why you feel so lazy and why you just can't seem to get your work done, it's because you don't have your focus triggers in place. Now you need to have this in place if you want to be high performance. If you ever go to work and you wear your pajamas, it won't work because when you wear your pajamas, you can't focus because with pajamas, you are associating it with rest. You need to wear something that makes you think work when you wear it, or let's say exercise when you wear it. A suit will definitely make you think work when you always wear a suit when you work. Which is why the next time you try going to sleep or work, separate the two. When you work, only wear suits, and then when you go to sleep, only wear pajamas, and within a couple weeks, your mind will associate each with whatever the respective activity that you do with those clothes, and it will be so much easier to focus because those focus triggers will help you focus and you won't even think about, oh, I feel so lazy, I don't feel like getting up. All you gotta do is do some minor changes to change your surroundings. Now it's action time for you because information without execution is meaningless. That means you have to take action. Make sure you take some notes and you write everything down because this will help you. What I want you to do is, number one, find some focus triggers that you can use for each activity that you do. Whether it's working, school, exercising, whatever it is that you need to do, you need focus triggers for it. You need at least 2 or 3 for each one. And they all have to be separate. Make sure you don't mix a couple of these together in different environments or activities that you do because your mind will be like, what is going on? Make sure you separate them. So for working, you could have like a coffee mug, your clothes, a couple items like, let's say, a teddy bear even, whatever you want to do, you can use anything to associate it with that activity. And then for exercising, it could be, let's say, the gym. You go to the gym, you wear your shoes, you wear your clothes, and that will get you into the mood. And then for sleeping, it'll be your pajamas in your bedroom. Even if you don't want to use physical objects, you can always use the room or the environment that you are in. You can separate where you sleep and where you work. So you sleep in the bedroom and you work in the living room or in an office, and that would also help. But your clothes should be your number one because your clothes really matter. That is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. It might have been a little boring at a couple points, or I might have talked a little too much about something that I shouldn't have gone so deep into, but anything helps. So as always, make sure you give me constructive criticism in the comments. Let me know how I can improve, and I'll try to improve it next time because constructive criticism is what makes my videos better, and that will make you more interested and you'll be more entertained. Because I don't know what you like if you don't tell me. So voice your opinions in the comments, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and press the bell button for notifications because you don't want to miss out on the videos. Because I post videos every Monday and Thursday at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. See you guys later.